So next week we have a video coming out on Monday, and it is on a BMW X5 in which we did our new car prep service, and we did a 2-year ceramic coating using the HyperClean Duo. So that is a 2-year coating. Now in that video I share a ton of helpful tips: how to properly pre-wash and wash the vehicle, how and when to decon because it is a brand new vehicle, tips on how to polish and prime your paint for any ceramic coating, as well as how to polish and ceramic coat your windshield as well as the rest of your glass. So guys, you don't want to miss that video. But in today's video, I'm going to give you a sneak peek of the Mustang GT behind me. This one is in for our new car prep, and we are applying G-Technic Crystal Serum Ultra. And then you'll be able to enjoy the full video when it eventually comes out. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this little sneak peek of this Mustang that we're coating. This video will probably be out in a couple of months. Check out the video that I have dropping on Monday on that BMW X5 where we installed a 2-year ceramic coating, and I hope you enjoy it.